So this is our new piston compressor. What we have done here is taken something that is very conventional and old from a principle and transformed it into something that is very exciting, very contemporary, high efficiency levels, high levels of robustness, and very compact design. So this is a section of the air end that goes into building some of our very efficient oil-free machines. Our oil-free machines that we have launched here are best in class as far as efficiency is concerned.
Interesting to note, it is about 7 to 8% more efficient than our previous version. Also has built-in heat recovery system.
I would consider this platform as the most energy efficient platform in the world today. Our years of two-stage compression experience to build one of the best two-stage compressors in the market today. Two-stage compression on a physical property is very efficient, but it has nuances which makes it inefficient.
As Dr. J mentioned, the two-stage oil-flooded screw. We have also oversized piping, interconnecting pipework to reduce pressure loss through the unit. And it comes also with our Neuron 4 touchscreen monitor.
We're committed to reduce our carbon footprint. High uptime is always better.
And you get that with ELGi.
Achieve your energy goals.
Efficiency is at our core.